Go ahead. He jumps high as hell. I didn't anticipate that. Let's have you back up.
Baby, won't you come and ride with me? I'll show you what the best ride. Alright. California to the one on me.
Before we jump into this video, I have a quick announcement to make. I have just released the DTV classes for photographers and videographers who are either trying to learn the skill or the more business side of the profession. This is something that has been on the website for going on a year now, but I've never promoted it. And I feel like now is the best time to do so because I can actually dedicate some time to teaching people. If this is something you may be interested in, you can check out the top link in the description down below. Okay, back to the video. Now, things are nowhere near done. As you can imagine, it's still kind of like a mess over here, but the idea is here. The setup is here. Also, finally got my mics from the other apartment. And yeah, I just need to make sure I got my setup together so that I can, you know, get some work done. I'm still like mid-season for basketball season, so I gotta get a bunch of stuff done media day-wise and other work, but it's coming together. I can't wait to do a full like little tour for y'all, I guess I should say. The next clip will be like y'all, me kind of giving y'all a tour of everything, but for now, this is all I needed to get together so I can get some work done. The rest of this I'm gonna do tomorrow. I still gotta do the bedroom. Kitchen is very nicely put together. Y'all, I'm gonna show you. Just give me, hold on.
Yeah, this is legacy approved. I had a vision before them folks had a clue. Thank God I still had ability when we didn't have a roof. I couldn't even think of stability, let alone had the tools to be making change. And it ain't that ancient a memory. Strange that I can't forget where I came, but don't know if they'll do the same and remember me till I'm painting a bigger picture, making some bigger figures. I can't get stuck in that lane, that's deeper to be delivered. Trust me. I've been working in mercy, Lord, trusting my process of money. Looking for progress and pushing forward. No, I might fall while I'm running.
Alright, so y'all probably still can't hear me that well, but I think I finally got it figured out. So I'm gonna have obviously a desk here, desk there, let me see what y'all can see, and then a third desk there, right? So these are gonna be 3 desks. My setup is gonna be in the middle. These 2 off to the side, I'm not completely sure, but there's also gonna be a TV above this one. My only thing now is I think I need to shift everything over because I want the TV directly above the table at the very least. So it can look nice, you know what I mean? A little uniform. Right now it's a little off-center. So I'm gonna move it over, I'm gonna move everything over.
It's deep inside, that's been something I feel more. I know I should be working, but these days I just chill more. Stuck in solitude in my residence, the truth is clear as evident. Boy, you know you haven't sinned, don't need no more evidence. You all outside your element, cause you got too arrogant. Your soul is in the deficit.
Stop. Hey, tell me now, what's the deal? Cause you been giving me chills like turn me up, yeah, for real. Girl, that thing give me the chills like you cold, yeah, you know. Hey, shivering, blistering, whispering to me, your body been whispering like you cold, yeah, you know. Hey, shivering, blistering, whispering to me, your body been whispering. Just the other day, you was running games. Now I got you naked in my bed, in my place. You know I love her chase. That pretty little face. Gorgeous. Bring them lips over to me and let me get a taste. Yes, girl, you cold, and yeah, we grown. You know I love making it known. You know I can't leave you alone. Loving you down like Jones. Loving the tone of your moan. Stroking you deep, I look at your feet. I love how you curling your toes. Setting the vibe right, feeling like prom night. You know you fine, right? You know that pussy mine, right? Eat it like fried rice. She said I'm godlike. Love how I shine bright. Checking these highlights. Hey, tell me now, what's the deal? Cause you been giving me chills like turn me up, yeah, for real. Girl, that thing give me the chills like you cold, yeah, you know. Yeah, shivering, blistering, whispering to me, your body been whispering like you cold, yeah, you know. Yeah, shivering, blistering, whispering to me, your body been whispering. Sheesh. Like it when we fornicated, ayy. You slid out to my side late in May and put it down like I'm on your plate. I heat up, girl, it's internal fate. Don't slow down when we going at this rate. Night shift, it feel like 8 to 8. Tight grip when I'm grabbing on her waist. A slight bit faded cause we off the ace. I pour my troubles and you sip away. No, just all the right things to say, so don't you hold back, don't you hold back. I just want all of you. Arching your back, it got me vulnerable. Ay, know what I wanna do. So don't you hold back, don't you hold back.
Right, know that pussy mine, right? Eat it like fried rice. She said I'm godlike. Love how I shine bright. Checking these highlights.
Hey, tell me now, what's the deal? Cause you been giving me chills like turn me up, yeah, for real. Girl, that thing give me the chills like you cold, yeah, you know, yeah. Shivering, blistering, whispering to me if I do been whispering like you cold, yeah.
Okay, so we are back in the house finally, and the main thing is pretty much set up, right? But now I'm gonna focus on some finishing touches. I do have a shoot later, so I do have to like kind of, you know, hurry up a little bit. Well, this is day 2 for y'all, but I've been working at this for a little bit, you know. But I do want to get up some finishing touches. I want to get the plant set up. I want to get some posters up. So that's exactly what we're gonna go ahead and get done. Just some more finishing touches work. I'm truly loving this place. It's been so far way better than my last. Just the energy here. I'm just loving it. You know what I mean? And I do honestly like having my setup in the living room rather than a separate room for it. I don't know. Just walking out to the area. I didn't think I would like it, but I do so far. So we're gonna go ahead and get right to it. Let's go.
Oh, she found all the numbers I had in my car. Oh, she called all the ones I had marked with a star. Oh, I'm racing over to plead my case. Oh, she saw it was me, and slammed the door in my face.
So this is that final finishing touch to this place. That's like, yeah. I've never had my own garage. Never. Now, the echo in here is pretty crazy, I could assume. But, bro, I have a garage. So, already, as y'all can kind of like saw just a little bit, all my backdrop papers. Now, I do plan, I don't know if we're allowed to drill holes in this stuff here to put up shelves. I'm pretty sure we are, though. So, I'm going to get the backdrop stand kind of like holder things for this, just so that they can stand upright how they're supposed to. But I had no idea where I was gonna put these. Because in my other apartment, they stayed inside of my, the closet inside of my other bedroom, which made it really difficult to get them really often. So this is the perfect place to be able to put these. I have a bunch of other random equipment. I don't have to keep stuff in my car now. And just loading stuff back into the car will be that much easier. This is nice. Like it really truly is. Like I'm enjoying this a lot. So yeah, like this is, I'm gonna do some footage in here. You're gonna see this garage a lot more, and a lot more of the vlogs, me leaving from shoots, coming from shoots, you know what I mean? Well, I don't know if it was thrown in this video. I'm not sure. I don't think so, just because like getting stuff ready and all of that, we didn't really have it in me to like deal with all that. But the endless potential of this place is great. And also, y'all know I drive a Tesla. I got my own charging. Come on, man. What?
Fellas, tell me why we always doing wrong. We can't keep it home. It's like this, even though we know that it ain't worth telling a lie. It ain't worth seeing you cry. It ain't worth. That's why I'm right. Please don't go, 'cause it ain't worth killing a home. It ain't worth being alone. It ain't worth. That's why I'm right here begging you. Please don't go back. Don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go.
Okay, back in positions, good.
Stand straight up, back legs. Straight.
Go ahead. Hold. All right, look here. 3, 2. Stay there. Good. Good. Keep holding. Good.
Okay. Picture a youngin' that used to live for the summer, skip meals to go run amongst all his peers. Now fast forward up a few years, that giddy little kitty grown up and all of a sudden had to pay bills. My current dichotomy grown from pure curiosity. Guess I didn't know that part of the deal, or know how quick it get real. Feeling so fleeting, me and myself need a meeting to make it clearer. Conversate with the mirror, watch your language when talking to me. I'm
gonna make that back there a lot more yellow. A little more fog. Go ahead.
Optimism when options turned into prisons. Get
That's good.
the slimmest pickings. Remember this place we in is a thief for joy, it is still. But no matter how much it take, I got more to give. I know that this world is all I'm giving, and all of these thrills don't count for living. A little more will is all it takes, so I persevere, I'm not afraid. And right when it's falling off, not all is lost, it's giving me chills. I got a feeling, I gotta see stars and cars on whipping.
Good. 3, 2, 1.
And he didn't come from no privilege that made me conquer some limits. I've arisen from prisons, head on collision with visions I had back then, it was written. I've been walking in purpose, I've been coaching myself on life, telling me that it's worth it. There's some things I'm still gonna improve, and the timing is perfect. Still paranoid that I make it lose, like some toxic been lurking, anticipating my every move. On the back of my shirt is a target made to play me a fool. I won't fall to the serpent. Swear to God, I've been working like a doctor and surgeon, trying to piece together the pieces and heal up what hurted. My vice suffice till it don't, it shows. My passion might lead me out to a life is an open door. Sometimes it just takes take a little bit more to get me right. Oh, wish you the best if you ain't know this would be like. So I miss so much the days we was rolling for pins and whites. And Lord, it done been some nights, but I'm growing inside this world and keep rolling. I know that this world is all I'm giving, and all of these thrills don't count for living. A little more will is all it takes, so I persevere, I'm not afraid. And right when it's falling off, not all is lost, it's giving me chills. I got a feeling, I gotta see stars and cars I'm whipping, cause none of my dreams involve a ceiling.
Yeah. Dear son, I'm spitting this before you fresh out. If I said I was blessed before, man, let's get in depth now. Give me a sec, yo, I gotta step out. The moment we saw the ultrasound, my heart skipped a step. Wow, the beauty of creation, I seen too much to wonder how it feel to take your first breath. For you, I would never double down. That word will be my truth to make your mother proud. Where we grew up, it was like summer house. I ain't raised you anywhere, they could run you down.
Okay, and that is the space completed, kind of. It's about 80% done, I'd say. There's a little finishing touches I want to add with stuff I don't really have right now, but it's operational, and I would like to say it looks nice. I really like this more than the other space. So I gave y'all a little walkthrough, you know, some stuff y'all were able to see. You know, got the plant set up over here. Absolutely love this plant setup more than in my other location. I don't know, it just gives it its own little personality for that one exact space rather than it was just scattered in my other living room. I didn't really like it too much, but the main thing that matters most, my setup. At first I was questioning it, like before I moved in, but I do like everything along this wall. The equipment closet's here, and then going down this wall, we have, you know, my chalkboard where I put just expectations about what I want budget-wise or finance-wise for an upcoming season. So right now we're on winter bookings. Then we got my calendar. You know, we got the DTV sign there. If y'all don't know, I don't think I've ever mentioned, but my mom actually made me that sign a few years ago. So that's gonna be wherever I go. Then we got our main desk here. I can finally have both of my monitors on one desk because I can keep my computer on the floor because I don't have carpet. Pretty sure if y'all know if y'all have carpet, you really shouldn't put your PC on the floor just because it'll obtain a lot more dust just because carpet. I can put it on the floor, have a little more desk space, and then I have this desk over here just to kind of complete the 3 desk kind of setup. I do have another one, but I don't really have space for it or a need for it. Now, the only things that I want to add to this, I would love to get a carpet. I would love to get some kind of carpet. I'm not sure of what. The sizing will be pretty moderate. It'll be right in the center of this floor, but that'll be That'll be really, really nice. I don't want to get too much into the apartment. It's a vlog, but it's not too much about my personal life. I do plan on starting a personal channel. That's probably the first time I plugged that. I'll keep y'all posted on that. But yeah, man, I love the small details about this space and the things I've been able to do with it. And I like it a little more. It's not a 2-bedroom, it's a 1-bedroom. I moved down because originally I had a 2-bedroom and one was my office. Now my office is in my living room. Yeah, the equipment closet is not, it's here, but it's not put together. It's not like organized at all. I just like put things in there. That's okay. But this was a great touch. Like, it was just perfectly centered on this wall. The sizing of this wall was perfect for this. This was great. I really enjoyed the fact that, like, I put that there. Okay. Right. Chill. Don't drink and drive. That's pretty much that. That was the week in a life, for the most part, of a entrepreneur. And I'm very grateful for the position that I'm in, that I'm able to do these things, have these things, and I will wholeheartedly say I do work really hard for all of this, and it's kind of like motivation. And the first time I've ever seen somebody mention something like this was RDC in an interview, and I've never seen his interview until just now, but I've been doing this for years. You kind of put yourself in positions, and it's not really good to do this, which he also said in his video. You put yourself in positions where you have no choice but to continue working hard, because some people can kind of get to the point where you settle once you obtain a certain amount of success. And I haven't got to that point yet because I haven't got to exactly what I want, but I need to push harder than this. I can't get comfortable just being able to sustain myself, my life, and yada, yada. So I put myself in these like borderline luxurious, I guess you could say, situations. This apartment is very beautiful. Like I said, I have a garage, the car I drive, and just being able to live life comfortably how I want to. But that comes at a cost, and that comes with discipline and having to bust your ass a lot if these are the things you want to be able to do. But yeah, man, that's the setup. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully y'all were able to take something from this, whether it was one of the photo shoots, the media day, the studio photo shoot, or just some kind of motivation from this, I hope so. I will see y'all in the next one. I'm not really too sure what the next vlog is gonna be, or when it's gonna be. Actually, yes, I do. I know exactly when that vlog is gonna be. It's gonna be sometime in March, though. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I hope y'all were able to take something from it. Leave me a comment section below, saying whatever else you were able to learn from this or take from this vlog. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Hopefully I could do one more POV video before the season is over. But if not, that's okay. I think I did 4. I'm okay with that. 3 or 4, one of them two. Love y'all. Stay creative. See you next one. Peace. That's okay. I think I did 4. I'm okay with that. 3 or 4, one of them two. Love y'all. Stay creative. See you next one. Peace.